What is up, guys? Right behind me is a new Mercedes E-Class, and this thing is really nice. I have these updated headlights, and even my entire grille illuminates at night. To get into the trunk, all I do is kick my foot underneath like this. Once it's open, I have a really good amount of trunk space, and then to close it, I just do the same thing. And to get in, I just swipe my hand like this. Inside, I get a moonroof, have these heated and ventilated brown leather seats. I get a passenger screen, my main screen, my driver screen, and then of course, tons of ambient lighting. But there's more. I can scroll TikTok, browse YouTube, and even play Angry Birds. Let's say my passenger is watching YouTube. Whenever I put it into drive, it makes it so that I can't see anything, but my passenger still can. Did I mention this has a selfie camera? At 6 feet tall, I have plenty of room to stretch out here in the front, and that's even with a car seat here in the back. And to make it easier to maneuver, you get rear wheel steering. Under the hood, you get a turbo 4-cylinder with a mild hybrid system. It makes 255 horsepower and gets 33 miles a gallon.